Hello, I'm Tianling Cai. This is my homework 1 code walkthrough, and the code I use is C#. And the first time I tried the method to use the code to product graph to make it out, but I met many problems, so I turned my way to console to see if it could work. So here is my try. My thought is if the flow task is A to B to C and D to E to F, then the graph, in my opinion, could be realized as like this way. The first line of console is A to B to C to E to F. The second line, since C and D, they are the synchronized task, so they should be in the first position, in the same position like this. So and here since I said I had tried to make the graph, so I put everything related to graph, the system's configurations here, drawing, and okay. First of all, I define two char arrays, I and P, and two pin variables K and Q. This is my method to define the language I use to show the expression here. Actually, I separated the situations to find five thoughts. I define them as from 0 to 4, because the 0 method is SRP0. It's the first beginning task. As a first beginning task, I think it's A here. So define a char and the int. Here I just consider the kind of sleep task. I think the sumption task, they are same, so I just consider this condition. So sleep 0, make the system sleep m millisecond, and put the task name at the first slot, and the dash second, and this sign third. So these two signs, I think they combine as an arrow sign here. And the second condition is the one parent one son task. So it's like the B task. Their difference is I put a char C behind the as the third variables. And here, after the sleeping, I use the variable k here. Put the task name in the k position. I think k here, so that's why I define k as 3 here, because it should be 3, because the first task that yeah already took 3, so k equal to 3 means the task that B should be put at the 4th slot of arrow I here. Similarly, k plus 1, k plus 2 should put dash and this sign, bigger sign, and here's a different k must plus 3, k equal to k plus 3, and the third condition is the 2 sound tasks. Here I let them sleep for their times set, and here is a definition to set k to q. Q is a variable initially as 0, but here the reason why q should equal to k, because the position of D should just below the position of C. So here we can see another array P. It's Q slots equal to K. That means I K's and the PQ, they are just according to C and D. So put the task name to them accordingly, and the signs also, and in the end k also equal to k plus 3. The fourth condition is the 2 parents, one sound tasks. It's not big changes, but just the definition of the function or formulation is a little different, and the content is similar to sleep 1. And the last condition is sleep 4. The final task is just sleep and put the name to the array. Here is no sign to continue to show, because this is the final task. Here is the main function. I put this one and this one, they're combined as the to calculate the program time run or used. This is the start point and this is the stop point, so the main program should between them. And here is the expression. Like I said, and these 2 lines shows the to show the array I and P. Just the result ideally should be expressed like this, 2 lines. Okay. And since there are many errors, I think occurred when I just was building this program. So I think, but I have no method to fix them. Uh, I hope that professor and the TA could help me to fix the uh, syntax or some programs I cannot finish. So if that could if you could help, that would be very grateful. Okay, that's all.